Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Developer Minded SEO. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you the most underestimated topic, which is internal linking. So, how to do internal linking for your website to achieve maximum SEO benefits. So, if you log into your Google Search Console account, under the link section, you can find the top internal linking pages on your website. This tells you that Google is treating these are the most important pages on your website. So if these top 5 pages is not going to be your any of your service pages or your product pages or money making pages or any pages that doesn't going to driven conversions for you, then definitely you need to do an internal linking audit and you need to define a strategy to make appear your most important pages on these top internal linking section. So to tell the search engine, hey, this is my most important value page on my website. So how to do it? So we are going to see about some basics on difference between internal link, external link and backlinks, and some of the differences between page authority versus domain authority, and what are the types of internal links. So each internal link doesn't going to pass equal value of link equity to the other pages. So based on the order, it will pass the link equity. So we are going to discuss about the order, and I'm going to share you 10 internal linking tips to do an effective internal link building strategy, and at the end of the video I'm going to share you what are the don'ts of internal link building. So without skipping this video, watch until the end. You will get more useful informations for internal linking. So before getting into this video, if you are new to this channel, I'm Ish, search engine marketer, and do you want more videos about technical SEO or page speed optimization? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and let's get into the video. So if there are any beginners watching this video, I would like to start from saying the differences between internal link with external link with backlink. So if you know this already, you can skip on to the next part. So internal link, any links which is pointed within your website. So if your website is website a.com, so any link within your website is called internal link. These kind of link, you have total absolute control over these links. So external link. So external links are the links which are moving out of your website. So you are having the control over external links too. So whenever you are giving in external links, you are passing the credibility of your website to other. So when you can use external links when you are referencing some website, when you are taking as a reference and you're giving some reference informations. So this kind of links are external links. So next, backlink. Backlinks are the most important links in SEO. So these are backlinks are ranking factor to rank your website on organic search results. So what is backlink? So backlinks are links referring your website from other website. So it could be website A linking to website C or website B linking to website C. So these are backlinks, which is most important for ranking purpose. Of the backlink you gained, it helps to improve your domain authority, and with the help of internal linking, you can increase your page authority of your website. So why internal links are so important? Because search engine uses links to crawl your website. By internal linking, you can pass the link equity from one page to another. So it helps the search engine to understand your site architecture. Also, it tells what is the most important pages on your website. So you have to use the opportunity of internal linking to tell the search engines, this is my important pages on my website. It also helps to improve the user experience and conversion rate. By properly using the internal linking within your content, you can actually flow out the journey of your customer smoothly, and they will follow the relevant link and the anchor text and move on to their next page, and this helps to increase the engagement rate and probably helpful for the conversion. So these are the types of internal link. I have given the types in the order of priority. So in contextual internal links, the internal links which is used in the content, it is the most powerful internal link, and this going to pass as much as link equity. And next to contextual internal links, it is a breadcrumb navigational links. It is breadcrumb navigational links also helps to appear in rich snippet in SERP. Next to breadcrumb navigation, it is the main navigational menu. So the links in the menu, this could be a sticky menu also. And next to the main navigational, it is call to action button links and sidebar links. And the next to sidebar links, it is the footer link. So in most cases on your website, within the content, you must use relevant internal link with relevant anchor text pointing to the other important pages on your website. And most commonly, you can use the main navigational link, the menu link to your most important value pages, that is your service pages or your product pages, which going to have higher conversions. Those links should be placed on main navigational links. Whereas in footer link, you can use a disclaimer or return policy or privacy policy, all the about us, and you can use these kind of links in the footer section. So tip number 1, link high traffic page to conversion page, high conversion pages. So how you can find the high traffic link on your website? Use Google Analytics and go to link acquisition and under organic search result, if you filter out the organic session from descending order, you can get high traffic pages of your website. And you can also use similar strategy to find the high conversion page on your website. So you can actually interlink the high traffic pages so that you can move your user to the conversion page. While all the internal linking strategy, keep in mind you must definitely use relevant link and relevant anchor text. So similar to linking the high traffic pages to conversion page, next you can also link high authoritative page to the potential traffic pages. So where you can find the high authoritative page, go on to Google Search Console and under the links section you can find the external links. Under the external links section you can find the top linked pages report. So this gives you high authoritative page on your website. So take this website link URL list and you can go on to the link which are ranking on page 2. So by internal linking this high authoritative pages to the pages which are ranking in page 2 can help you to move on to page 1 by passing the authoritative to those pages. It helps to push little bit those pages in the search engine ranking. So if you go on under Google Search Console account under links, you can find external links section and internal links section. So under external links section, these are the top linked pages on your web page, top linked pages on your website, meaning these pages has higher backlinks. So in my website, developermindedseo.com, my top linked pages is my home page, but it has only one backlink. Please don't consider this. And in the internal linking section, you can find the top linked pages. So this is my top internal link page on my website. So my blog page has more internal links comparing to my home page or any services page. So tip number 3, fix or remove broken links on your website. So any broken links which is pointing to 404 pages is going to be a bad user experience. And also don't use irrelevant links on your pages. So equal to broken links, irrelevant pages also provides no information to your user. So fix the broken links or remove the broken links, and whenever you are removing the broken links, make sure to remove all the internal links within your website pointing to that broken links. Tip number 4, focus on internal linking anchor text. This is more important. Use relevant anchor text whenever you are internal linking the pages. This helps the user to click on the internal link and navigate to next page of the website, navigate to other pages on your website. So and also keep remember, don't use same anchor text for different pages. This actually confuses the search engines. So take cautions on using anchor text. Use relevant anchor text and don't use same anchor text for different pages. So tip number 5, top linked pages and link top linked pages and least linked pages. Meaning, if you again go into your Google search console under the link section, under internal link top linked pages, so if you export this top linked pages and if you export it and sorting it in ascending order, it tells you the least URL which has less internal link. You can think about internal linking, give some internal link for these pages. Similarly, if you sort out in ascending order, that shows you the top internal link pages. So in these pages, you can actually update the content to give a fresh look. So this will further boost up the value. So tip number 6, you can either link or remove orphan sitemap pages. Sometimes those orphan pages may be a valuable page. So if it is that case, use an internal linking strategy I mentioned in the before given tips, or you can remove or if it is not a value pages, you can remove the orphan pages, or either you can set no index tag. So tip number 7, add internal links from new to old or from old to new pages. So this tip is very useful whenever you are creating new blog post on your website. Try to internal link as much as possible. So you are adding a new content on a website. So you can either internal link from already existing high traffic pages or from high conversion pages or anything high authoritative pages. So think about internal linking your new pages to already existing high traffic potential pages, or you can also and to and fro. So you can do both the things. And tip number 8, fix permanent redirects. So if you know this page is going to be a 301 redirect to the destination page, instead of using the 301 redirect, use your internal linking to your exact destination URL. So when coming to internal links, you are having most control on your website. So instead of redirecting them, you can actually use the right destination URL. So tip number 9, similar to fixing the uh, permanent redirect, you can also remove if there is any redirect chains or loops within your website. So if you have any doubts on doing these kind of work, you can request me in the comment section to make another video about it. And the last tip, links on HTTP pages leading to HTTP version. So this is actually a bad thing, linking to HTTPS to HTTP version. So keep all your pages leading only to HTTPS pages. So now we have moved on to don'ts of internal linking. So as I said earlier, don't use same keyword focused anchor text to your different pages. This actually confuses the search engines and you're going to dilute that more keyword. And the next thing, avoid internal linking value pages no more than 3 depth from your home page. And avoid using anchor text like click here or read more majority on your website. You can have mix it up, but mainly focus on when you are using within your content. Keep focus on keyword rich anchor text. That could be, you can have keyword variations, um, but as much as possible avoid click here or read more. You can have the mix, like 20% click here or read more anchor text and 80% you can have keyword rich anchor text. Be descriptive, be relevant, and don't overdo it. There I have seen some many websites, they have used WordPress, particularly in WordPress website, they have used some plugins to automate the keyword focused anchor text. So they have, if in the plugin, if we set the keyword and the internal linking option, then that plugin going to add all the text, which is, if you, for example, if I am using buy laptop, for example, if I am using buy laptop and put it in the plugin buy laptop page to your home page, so wherever you are using the keyword buy laptop, then the plugin is going to apply the internal link to your home page. So this actually make the condition so worse and looks more artificial. So don't use similar kind of automated things. As much as possible, whenever you are creating the content, think about the user intent and do it manually. So that's it from today's video. And if you have any questions on internal linking or any technical SEO, or do you want to review any topics in SEO, please let me know in the comment section and I will make a video on another episode. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I hope you find it useful. Hit the like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on another video. Until then, this is Ish.